morning, everybody. And yes, it's a good morning, and I guess people don't beat me to it. Oh my god, first time she's up before me and him. So good morning to beautiful morning here at the Beer Island. It's pretty cool. We're only 3 boats here. Well, 3 boats on the island, but a few out in the bay there. So it's pretty cool. Look how beautiful and quiet. Yeah, well, I don't know actually, but yeah, you got about 5 boats on the island. Everybody else is anchored out over there. So feels good to wake up here in the ocean. Well, not in the ocean, in the water. And the day is actually, it was supposed to be a cold front today, and it's a little chilly. It's not even that cold. The good thing is, I don't know if you see the trees behind me, the wind stopped, so maybe that's a good thing. Everybody's so quiet when they're eating. What are you eating? Dun 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 dun. What are you eating? What are you eating?
Oreo cereal.
Oreo cereal. Alright, so we're trying something new today. We're trying cereal and milk to make things quicker in the boat. Because usually we make eggs and that takes a little longer and it becomes a little bit of a mess. So we're trying the simple things. What are you eating like you like it? Do you like it? Look at that. He done ate it in 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do a little morning stroll in the island here. Whoa, the water was cold. All right, guys, just check this out. To me, this is paradise at home. Get to look the bay, the boat there, and there's a few people up over there. But yeah, this is, to me, this is relaxing. Oh, and by the way, a lot of people like the new word, sea-laxing. Yeah, just made that up yesterday. If you're like me and like being out in the ocean, it's called sea-laxing. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking me by DM and email, I should get a group together on the weekends and just hang out. So I mean, it's not a bad idea, because if you're like me, like to do a lot of boating and just use any excuse to go boating, that's not a bad idea. Maybe I should do a little group, and you know, if you're capable of staying overnight on your boat, it would be a good thing, you know, just to meet up at a ramp or meet up in the bay or somewhere, and then everybody just hang out and you know, spend the night over and just tie up together and stuff. So let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. A lot of people have been telling me. So maybe if you guys like that idea and you guys both here locally in Miami or Broward County and would like to be part of this little group, let me know. I guess I'm gonna put my email on the bottom. You guys email me, you know, your phone number, and I contact you guys. And then every time I'm gonna go ahead and stay the night over at one of the islands, you know, I'll tell you guys. And if you guys want to join, just to hang out, tie up together, and just have a little barbecue, it'll be something cool to do. You know, all the local boaters here in Miami get together, and I mean, I do that anyway. You know, people that know me, but it'll be good. You know, get to meet more people. So let me know if you guys like the idea, and if you do, send me your information, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a little group, and just to hang out on the weekends and tie up together. So let me know. Love it. The cold front said it was supposed to come today, but the water is cold, but there's no front, and I think the wind died down too. So I'm strolling the island. Fresco's fishing, and guess what are the rest of the people doing? Check it out. I love to do this. Put them on the spot on the camera. Look, look, look. Look at them all. Even Yuli's sleeping. Yeah, some sleeping peoples. I like to put them on the spot. And they get mad at me when they see the video. What kind of fish is that?
Spade fish.
Spade fish?
That's what I think they're called.
Oh, okay. Looks pretty. Looks really pretty.
Look at it in the water when it goes in.
All right, throw it. Ooh, hey, it jumped. Uh-oh.
There's no way.
Did it die?
He's still alive. See his gills moving? He's recuperating.
I think you had him in the water too long. And don't worry, the fish swam away. He was okay. And the kids kept on fishing. Guess what time it is? Sausage time. A little quick snack before lunch. And guess who wanted a snack and came by for lunch too? But this time, he brought more friends.
How like they get on me? Look.
Well, I guess the Bahamas has swimming pigs, and I guess Miami has friendly raccoons. Just be careful when you feed them.
Don't touch them.
Oh my God, he almost bit me.
They can bite you and then you can
Hey,
Hey, boy.
he took my napkin.
No, they can go in the hospital 6 months for doing
He's gonna take your napkin.
Take a big piece and don't let them. Don't hit me down. Don't hit me down.
He's gonna get your stuff, though. Look at what they're doing. They're literally dogs.
So be careful they don't bite you.
They eat rats. No, go ahead, baby. They're babies.
All right, so it's about that time to get our lunch. What you making, girl? Chicken. Chicken a la si. A la si. Chicken a la si. Chicken a la mojo criollo, coño. Let's see. Special ingredients. The special ingredients is low. Okay. And right now it feels like 100 degrees and it's not cold. I'm actually sweating.
No, it feels good because it's breezy. It's not.
It's breezy, but it's not cold.
It's not cold at all.
It's actually hot. So, took out the fat of the chicken.
Chicken is ready.
The chicken is ready.
It's ready.
Any special thing you got up in there?
Love.
Love. Oh, you got a lot of love in there. I want to know how love tastes.
I think it's a good thing.
Oh, okay. So, yep, everybody's coming to the little island mine. Everybody here. And, yep, the sausages are gone because he ate them. All right, so let's check on that chicken lunch. Ta-da! Looking okay. Not that bad. Sizzling. And like you guys remember how quiet the island was? And everybody starts coming. Because I guess there's no cold front anymore. It is. More people are showing up, so it's a good thing. It's gonna be a fun Sunday. What are you doing? You're catching a cold front?
Trying to get a suntan. I'm white.
You're catching the cold front.
I got white like the snow.
Oh, you got white from the snow? So what do you like better? Hot weather or cold weather?
I like the hot weather better, but like for Christmas, it's a nice change.
It was a unique experience. All right, so waiting for that chicken, And as you can see, we had a late lunch, but a good lunch because we got to enjoy the nice cool breeze and the sunny weather. But enough for the island, and it's time to go hang out at the sandbar to see what everybody's up to. We're heading out, but waving goodbye to some fans that watch the channel, and it was great to meet them in person. It's nice to meet people that appreciate and share the same common hobbies as you do. And by the way guys, let me know what you guys think about the GoPro 360. Most of this video was shot with it. And as you can see, there's a lot of boats at the sandbar. Just notice something, not that many people are in the water because us Floridians don't like cold water. And right here we're gonna tie up with Chef Doobie. But at least for me, I don't really have to get in the water. As long as I'm here, relaxing, well, sea-laxing, and enjoying the nice cool breeze and watching all the boats go by. It's good enough for me. Said before, it's always really nice to meet people that watch your channel and appreciate the videos, and they actually tell you what videos they like. It's pretty cool, and it's always nice to meet them. But right now, let's see what everybody's up to at the sandbar, and most probably is sea-laxing. Now, this is a real sea-laxing boat, but I guess it doesn't matter how you get here, just get here. But we had a great time at the island and here at the sandbar, and now it's about that time. It's time to go home. And by the way, I would like to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel, and make sure when you subscribe, turn on all notifications so like that you guys get notified every time I post a new video. So see you guys next time out on the water.